Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will be going over the child's pose. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. The child's pose is a restorative kneeling asana that can help stretch your back muscles and hips. The child's pose can help release compression on your back, which can relieve back pain, while at the same time opening the hips, which can alleviate hip pain. It can lengthen your spine and stretch out your ankles, thighs, shoulders, and arms. This pose can also improve blood circulation in your organs and promote blood flow from your spine to your brain. Child's pose aids in digestion as well. Since your torso is resting between your thighs, it can help create movement in your digestive tract and is a great pose to release gas trapped in the body. This pose can help you with deep breathing, which can allow for mindfulness and relaxation, which can improve your lung function and respiratory health. Child's pose can even release fatigue, lower stress levels, and lower blood pressure because it activates the relaxation response, the parasympathetic nervous system, and deactivates the stress response, the sympathetic nervous system. So, if you're looking for a yoga pose that is low energy but can still provide numerous benefits, this is the pose for you. So, let's begin. You will start in a tabletop position. Spread your knees as wide as your mat and make sure to keep the tops of your feet on the mat. Slowly drop your bottom back behind you while placing your forehead on the mat and keeping your arms extended. If it's not comfortable to touch your forehead to the mat, you can place a block under your head at whichever height feels more comfortable. Then relax your shoulders down so they aren't squeezed up towards your ears. Relax your jaw, and you can open your mouth slightly if it feels comfortable, and close your eyes. For your arm positioning, you have a couple different options. You can keep your arms stretched out in front of you with your palms facing down towards the mat, or you can reach them both to the left side and then over to the right side for some side stretches. You can also flip the palms on their sides facing each other for a shoulder stretch, or you can choose to touch your hands into prayer pose and bend your elbows and place them above your head for a deeper shoulder stretch. Choose which arm positioning you want to stay in, and we will hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now, to get out of the pose, release your hands if they are in prayer pose, or if they are flipped, bring them back face down onto the mat. Then press into your palms and lift your bottom back up into the tabletop position. And that is how you do the child's pose.